So if you were to add up the views from my 4 most viewed videos on this YouTube channel, it will come out to around 2 million views, which is honestly not even that much. But in case some of you are curious how much money you can make from 2 million views, well, let's break it down. Obviously, there's 2 ways to make money from YouTube views. Number 1, which is probably the one most of you are thinking about right now, is going to be ad-based revenue, right? So just basically the money that you make from YouTube showing ads in your videos. I'm going to show you that in the dashboard. But then the second, in my opinion, much more significant way you make money is revenue generated from the traffic that comes on the back of all of those views. But regardless, we're going to break both down for you today. Yeah, let's jump into it. All right, so starting here in YouTube Studio, you can see I've pulled up the 4 most viewed videos on my channel. The most viewed one here has 740,000 views and has generated me $12,279 in ads revenue and around 18,000 subscribers. The next one here has 574,000 views and has generated me roughly $6,000 in ad revenue and has gained me around 16,000 subscribers. The next one is 357,000 views, which is generated $2,300. And then the next one here is 233,000 views, which comes out to $1,800. So I believe if you add up these amounts, yeah, it should come out to somewhere between $20,000 and $22,000. I mean, that's a lot of views, and $22,000 is not a lot. I don't sound that to be arrogant, by the way. I know $22,000 is very significant for a lot of people, but the reason I say that is because it is obviously insignificant compared to how much money or revenue this amount of views can actually generate on the back end when you have an offer running on some kind of sales funnel. And so in case you're curious to know what those kind of figures look like as well, let's break them down. So roughly I've calculated with, so 2 of the videos I just showed you, they were when I was running my old sales funnel to my original course. And back then I calculated that roughly for every 100,000 views I did on those YouTube videos, my sales funnel did around $150,000 in revenue, okay, in sales generated directly on the back of the traffic generated from those YouTube videos. So you can already see, for example, for the most viewed one, right? So if I pull up a calculator and we say 730,000, which was the most viewed one, or just 730 times 150, well, that video would have generated me roughly $1.1 million in direct course sales from that video alone. And then actually I did the same calculation again when I was running the newer edition of that course, the IPJ Masterclass, and that's when I sort of posted these 2 videos. And at this time, we're actually doing around $200,000 per 100,000 YouTube views. So you can see these 2 videos alone would have generated me over $1 million in revenue as well. I mean, I've always been running ads, and for the majority of my course selling career and for the majority of the time I've been running sales funnels, I've been getting most of my sales through paid ads. But that did switch a little bit last year when YouTube and organic in general started performing very well. I think it just puts things into perspective when you see that a video like this, which was completely raw, uncut video that took me literally 15 minutes to make because it was not scripted, it was not edited. I posted it straight off of recording it without touching it. Sure, it made $2,300, which is a decent ROI for 15 minutes of your time, but it actually generated me around $700,000 in back-end revenue just based off of this video alone, which is a pretty crazy ROI for 15 minutes of your time. Now, obviously, not every video is going to go viral, but it's just in case you've never run a YouTube channel, in case you've never run a sales funnel, in case you don't have an online course, maybe this puts things into perspective. Like, there are a lot of channels that are just getting 500 views per video or 1,000 views per video. And sure, it doesn't look fancy, but you'd be surprised. Even the channels that are just getting a couple hundred views per video or a couple thousand views per video, they're still making a lot of money. And I think what's really important for me to stress here is that when I say I make, for example, $200,000 per 100,000 YouTube views, that's because these funnels that I'm describing here are pretty low ticket funnels. They're pretty cheap offers. When I've been running a higher ticket offer, for example, with a sales call funnel, that ROI or that revenue per 1,000 view is going to be 10 times higher essentially. So let's make this a little bit less complicated. So for example, instead of saying $200,000 per 100,000 views here, we can just say on these videos, I was making $2,000 per 1,000 views. But I have experience with high ticket funnels, both my own and clients from the past, and a lot of people I've talked to. When you're running high ticket funnels, so selling offers that are, for example, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 grand, you're oftentimes making more than $10,000 per 1,000 views. So if you see somebody who's selling a high ticket offer, let's say a $10,000 ticket price, and they're only getting 1,000 views per video, they're probably making at least $10,000 in back-end revenue per video, right? And so obviously these people don't care about how much money they're going to make in ads revenue, because if they hit 10,000 views on a video, that's $100,000 in back-end sales funnel revenue. So yeah, it's just to put things into perspective in case you didn't know how valuable YouTube views are. Maybe you're a TikToker, maybe you post reels, which is great. I think incorporating short form content into your content strategy nowadays is almost essential. You need it, but I think 1,000 YouTube views can be just as valuable as 1,000,000 TikTok views. It's just another ball game, completely different league. The quality of viewers on YouTube is great, and it makes sense, right? Because when people watch a TikTok, that's not a conscious choice. They scroll and it pops up, right? But on YouTube, every video you watch is a conscious choice. You clicked on it, and so it makes sense that 1,000 views on YouTube is pretty valuable, because that's 1,000 people who made the conscious decision to click on your video. So yeah, there you have it. 2 million views, only came out to around $22,000 in ad revenue, but it came out to just those 4 YouTube videos, just those 2 million views have probably generated me $4 million, maybe $3 to $4 million in back-end sales funnel revenue from 4 videos. That's not bad. That's a significant portion of my overall earnings, which is just over $10 million. To imagine that has come from just 4 videos is pretty crazy. And furthermore, if you look at, again, how many subscribers those videos generated me, 18K, so that's 33, 34, right? 45, let's just call it, around 50,000 subscribers. That's almost half of the subscribers I have on this channel came from just the top 4 uploads. And so if you're trying to make it on YouTube and you're not growing, it's just because you haven't had a viral video yet. All my standard videos, they just pale in comparison to these ones. When you get 18,000, when I have literally almost 20% of my channel subscribers from one video, it makes every other video seem meaningless. But that's not how it works. You just gotta post and post, and before you know it, a video you didn't expect to pops off. And again, this video, just from the views, has generated me probably well over $1 million in revenue, which this might look like a nice number, but that's just nothing compared to what it generates in the back end. So it was actually a little bit of a slow burner, right? If you look at, this is the craziest example of a slow burner. If you look at this video, it got all of its views within the first 8 days pretty much, and then it just stopped getting views. That's great. I mean, this generated $700,000 in explosive revenue overnight. Crazy. But this one, it literally was getting significant views until almost 2 years after posting. This is a golden kind of video to post because it just generates you money for 2 years, as long as your sales funnel is up. That's crazy. So these slow burners are the best kind of videos you can have in your channel, where they're just generating you consistent growth, consistent sales, and consistent money over time. Yeah, sometimes it's worth investing a little bit of extra time into a video. In this one, I had like a keynote. Now, to conclude this, after having generated over 8 figures in profit with my own online courses over the past 5 years, I finally decided to, turn my processes into something that you can replicate, right? I didn't make my money in online courses teaching others how to create online courses. That's an important fact. But now that is finally something I've created, I've turned everything I know about creating, launching, and scaling online courses into an online course that you can study through step by step. And as I mentioned a little bit earlier, it's called the Course Creator Launchpad. And throughout that course, I literally build everything live with you, from the design to the branding, to the curriculum, to the production, to the sales funnel, everything that goes into creating, launching, and scaling an online course. I do that live on the camera in front of you, so you can see how I do everything. There are no stones left unturned. I give out everything in there. And so I still haven't started scaling this course to the masses because I've been wanting to just thoroughly optimize and perfect it for a while now. But now it's finally there. I've been adding a lot of new stuff to it, especially when it comes to marketing and scaling. And so it's just like, I've never put this much work into a course before. It's the most complete thing I've ever created. And so I guess all I want to say is, if you're looking for a streamlined process to creating, launching, and scaling an online course, then I honestly wouldn't look any further than the Course Creator Launchpad. It is by far the most complete program when it comes to the matter. Again, I take you through every step of the process, from designing and creating the course itself, to structuring your offer and pricing, building your sales funnel, a high converting sales funnel that is based on my templates, creating a strong and trustworthy brand, and of course doing your personal branding, your organic marketing, and even your paid marketing when you get that far. Everything is covered in there. So I just want to round this off by saying, it doesn't matter what you know. Again, whether it's fishing or something about turtles or making glasses or watchmaking or photography or business, whatever it is you know, It could be motherhood. It could be taking care of cats. I can guarantee you 2 things. It can be taught online, and there are people who are willing to pay for your knowledge. Those are the 2 guarantees I can make. And if you don't feel like you're ready to do this, then I'm willing to bet that's why you found this video today, because I'm ready to equip you with all the knowledge, skills, and tools that you need to make this a reality. So other than that, I sincerely hope that you enjoyed this video. I look forward to hopefully seeing you inside of the Course Creator Launchpad and to helping you get started. By the way, if you want to check it out, I think you'd be positively surprised at how low the price is, but I'll leave that up to you. Okay, I wish you an excellent day. This was Center Stage. This is pear juice, by the way. Have a good day.